Hello all, welcome to Gritty Vlogs channel. Here we share raw, real and inspiring stories from everyday life. From struggles to victories, this is where hustle meets heart. Let's dive into the grind together. Hastashilpa Heritage Village Museum is a beautiful and a unique place located in Manipal of Karnataka. The museum also highlights various traditional skills and art forms. There are exhibits showcasing pottery, weaving, and wood carving, which are part of Karnataka's rich culture. It is not just a regular museum, but a living heritage space that celebrates the rich culture, traditions, and craftsmanship of India. It has over 26 carefully restored traditional buildings, each with its own unique story and style. You can see here artifacts which are of bronze, brass, copperware, victory stones, sati stone, etc. There are three historical structures. Historical heritage structures from Mudhol, that is from Bagalkot district. One from Kukunur, that is from Koppala district, and there is one from Humnabad, that is in Bidar district, which age from 1341 to 1902. The word Hastashilpa itself means handmade crafts. And this museum is all about showcasing the beauty of Indian art, architecture, and lifestyle from the past. If you love to learn about history, see old buildings, or understand how our ancestors lived, this museum will fascinate you. The founder of the museum, Vijaynath Shenoy, was very passionate about Indian heritage. He traveled across Karnataka and other parts of India to collect old traditional houses and cultural items that represent our history. Instead of letting these structures fall apart or get destroyed, he relocated and restored them inside the museum. There are 11 traditional houses. Heritage houses from South Canara, North Canara and Malnad regions, which age from 1705 to 1856. The museum displays different architectural styles, from the simple homes of farmers to the grand homes of landlords. It reflects how people from various social classes lived. Thank you for watching Gritty Vlogs channel. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay strong, stay focused, and I will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.